Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just thought I would show you today a really quick Slimming World tomato soup full of speed food, really super speedy, both in time and in content. So yeah, I know how much everybody enjoys a really quick, simple recipe with basic ingredients. So with that being said, let's get to it. So I've got my mixer bowl thing here, but obviously you can use like a handheld chopper or a blender, whatever you need. So what you are going to need to make this soup is a tin of baked beans, a tin of chopped tomatoes, a tin of sliced carrots. You will also need a little bit of Worcester sauce, a stock cube, and whatever seasonings you want. And you will also need 2 pickled onions. So all you do is you take your baked beans and you pop them in the bowl. You add your tin of tomatoes also to the bowl. And you add your carrots. I've already removed the water, so it's just carrots and no water. And you add those to the bowl. And then you mix that all up. Then you can pop in your pickled onions too, and your vegetable stock. Add a dash of Worcester sauce. Some salt. Some pepper. And I am adding this garlic and tomato seasoning, which includes garlic, parsley, sage and tomato. You don't have to add this, but it's just nice for a bit of extra flavour. And then I'm going to blitz that all back up again. So once you've done that, you will have a nice creamy tomato soup, and then you just need to pop it in a pan and heat it up. The rest can just be put in the freezer or in the fridge to be safe for another time.